Dear students, in this video you are going to learn multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Let A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 0, then 3A, which is equal to 3 into the matrix 2, 3, 1, 0, which implies 3 into A, that is equal to the 3 is multiplied with all the elements of the matrix A. That means 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 1 and 3 into 0. Now you are going to get the new matrix 6930. So this is the multiplication of a matrix A with the scalar 3. Okay, so now we will see the proper definition of this concept. If A is a matrix and K is a scalar, then Ka is another matrix which is obtained by multiplying each element of A by the scalar K. So the notation of this concept of the multiplication of matrix by a scalar, that is I comma jth element of Ka is Kaij. That means what? Each element of the matrix A is multiplied with what? The scalar K for all possible values of I and J. Now properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. We consider the matrix A and B be two matrices of the same order m by n, and K and L are, here the K and L are scalars. Then the property 1, small k into capital A plus capital B, that matrices A plus B, which implies Ka plus Kb. Similarly, K plus L into the matrix A is equal to Ka plus L into A. Similarly, here that another concept, K into A minus B is equal to Ka minus Kb. Then fourth one, K minus L into A is equal to Ka minus La. Very easy properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. Very simple. Now, negative of a matrix. The negative of a matrix A is denoted by minus A. That minus A is equal to, we can write this as minus 1 into A. That minus 1 is a scalar, which is what? Multiplication with the matrix A. Let A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 0. Then find minus A. So here we have to find out minus A. A is given here. So minus A is equal to, this can be written as minus 1 into A. Now minus 1 is a scalar that can be multiplied inside to the matrix A with the all elements. Now we will get this minus 1 into 2, minus 1 into 3, minus 1 into 1 and minus 1 into 0. So after multiplying with this, we will get minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 0. So now we can obtain, this is the matrix what? Negative of A, that is what? Minus A. Now let B is equal to 2 root 5 1 minus 2 3 1 by 2. Then minus B, directly you can write this one 2. The sign can be changed inside the matrix. Okay, if you change the sign of all the elements of the matrix, then that will be what? Negative of the matrix. Okay, here you will get minus 2 minus root 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus plus. So sign we are changing, minus, it becomes what? Plus. So 2 minus 3 then minus 1 by 2. Now operations on matrices. First thing, difference of matrices. Difference means what? We have to subtract. We have to subtract one element from another element. When you do these operations for addition and subtraction, we must have the same order. See that, let A is equal to the matrix and B is another matrix, are two matrices of the same order 2 by 3. Now we can do the operation difference of matrices on these two matrices. That is why? Because they both the matrices are having the same order. So now we can subtract the corresponding element. Okay, so therefore if A, B are two matrices of the same order m by n, then difference of two matrices A and B is defined as a matrix D of order m by n. That means Dij is equal to Aij minus Bij for all possible values of I and J. Actually this is the general concept. Dij is an element in the difference of the matrices A and B. Okay, so now D is equal to A minus B. This can be written as A plus minus B, which can be written as minus 1 into B. That is sum of the matrix A and the matrix negative of B. Now we will see this sum. If A is equal to 1 2 3 2 3 1 and B is equal to 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2, then find 2A minus B. It's very simple solution. First we will find 2A. 2 into 1 2 3 2 3 1. Now by the multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, we can multiply this 2 with each and every element of the matrix A. Okay, fine. So 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, likewise 4 6 and 2. This is 2A. Now we need to find out minus B. So minus B, which can be written as minus 1 into the B matrix B, minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. Now as I told earlier that we can change all the signs of the matrix, I mean all the signs of all the elements of the matrix B. Now we will get that minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 1 0 and minus 2. What should you find out here? 2A minus B, which is equal to 2 4 6 4 6 2, then plus minus 3 1 minus 3 1 0 minus 2. Next we will get that we have to do the corresponding elements. That means 2 minus 3 4 plus 1 6 minus 3, 4 plus 1 4 plus 1 6 plus 0 2 plus 2 minus 2 directly. Then this is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1, 4 plus 1 5, 6 minus 3 3 5 6 0. So this is our required matrix. Now we will see another example. If A is equal to 2 5 6 7, B is equal to 3 4 2 1, then find A minus B and B minus A. It's very simple. Now we will do that A minus B. That A minus B, which is equal to 2 5 6 7 minus 3 4 2 1. So now we can subtract the corresponding elements. 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 6 minus 2, 7 minus 1. So now you will get what? 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, 7 minus 1 6. This is A minus B. Now we can do B minus A. So B minus A is equal to 3 4 2 1 matrix B minus matrix A 2 5 6 7. Now do the subtraction from the corresponding elements. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 5, 2 minus 6, 1 minus 7. So you will get plus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 6. That's all. Now we will see another example sum. So now this is the example 8 from your textbook, page number 69. The question is, if A is equal to 804 minus 236 and B is equal to minus 242 minus 51, then find the matrix X such that 2A plus 3X is equal to 5B. It's quite very easy sum. So now we will take 2A plus 3x which is equal to 5b. We can rewrite this as 2a plus 3x minus 2a. That means what? We are subtracting on both the sides. Instead of taking this 2a to the right hand side, we are subtracting 2a on both the sides. So what you will get now? 5b minus 2a, because to find out x we have to eliminate whatever there in the left hand side. For that we are subtracting 2a on both the sides. Next step, you will get 3x which is equal to 5b minus 2a. So which will implies we can write this x is equal to 1 by 3 5b minus 2 times of a. Now we can easily find out the x. How can you find out that? Now x is equal to 1 by 3 5 times of matrix B. That matrix B we can write like this: 2 minus 2 4 2 minus 5 1, then minus 2 times of matrix A. What is the matrix A? 8 0 4 minus 2 3 and 6. We can rewrite this as 1 by 3. We can simplify now. When you simplify, you will get that 5 into 2 10. Likewise, we have to multiply the 5 with all the elements of the matrix, okay, inside the matrix. So now 5 4s are 20, then 10, then minus 25, after that 5. Okay, fine. After that 2 minus 2 no, then we can write this one as our plus. We are taking that minus 2 inside, therefore you will get what? Minus 2 into 8 minus 16, minus 2 into 4 minus 8, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, then 0, then minus into minus plus, so plus 4, then minus 2 into 6, that you will get minus 12. Matrix close. Next we have to simplify further. So when you are trying to simplify this, we will get like this: 1 by 3. We can do what? We can add the corresponding elements. That is what? 10 minus 16 minus 10 plus 0, 20 minus 8, 10 plus 4 minus 25 minus 3, 6, then 5 minus 12, 5 minus 12. Sorry, this is what actually minus 2 into 3 6. No, here I can write this as what? 6. So you will get what? Minus 25 minus 6. Okay, fine. Now we can rewrite this as 1 by 3 10 minus 16 minus 6, minus 10 plus 0 minus 10, 20 minus 8 12, 10 plus 4 14, minus 25 minus 6, that will be minus 31, 5 minus 12 minus 7. So now this we can write. Now we can take this 3 to the 1 by 3 to the inside the matrix. Okay, that means when you're taking into that matrix, then you will get what? Minus 6 by 3 minus 2, minus 10 by 3 minus 10 by 3, 12 by 3 4, 14 by 3, minus 31 by 3, then minus 7 by 3. So this is our required matrix. So now example 9, which is from page number 70. Okay, find x and y. If x plus y is equal to 5209 and x minus y is equal to 360 and minus 1, it's very simple. How can you solve an equations in linear equation, two variables? No, the same way you can solve this matrix also. Okay, the matrix equations. So now we will add these two equations first. So when you're adding these two equations first, one variable will be eliminated. That means here x plus y plus x minus y, which will gives us 5209. Then plus x minus y is what? 360 minus 1. Okay, further, which implies x plus x plus y minus y. Don't do is this as what, like solving the numbers. Okay, here these are the matrices, so that we have to use the property properly. Okay, we have to use the certain properties. That means what, matrix is commutative under additions. Therefore this y plus x can be written as what, x plus y. So that's why you are writing like this. Now we can cancel this y and y. In the next step that we can do that. In the right hand side, now we can add these numbers. When you adding this, no, you will get 5 plus 3, 2 plus 6, 0 plus 0, and 9 plus 9 minus 1. This implies 2x, which is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 6 8, 0 plus 0 0, then 9 minus 1 is what, 8. Further we can do this one. X is equal to, we can take that to the right hand side. It will what will happen, 1 by 2. Then you will get what, 8 0 8 8. Then you can simplify further. When you simplify this, what you will get, x is equal to 1 by 2. That means what, 8 8 8, all the numbers will be divided by 2. Then you will get 4 4 0 and 4. So now we found the x. Further what should we find out now? Further we should find out y. For that we can do the subtraction of that x plus y and x minus y. Then we will get now x plus y minus of x minus y. Then what we will get here, 5209 minus 360 minus 1. When you subtracting, that y will get cancelled. That means x plus y minus x, x will get cancelled. Then here we will get what, plus y. Now see this, 5 minus 3, 2 minus 6, 0 minus 0, 9 plus 1. Why? Because minus into minus plus. In the left hand side you will get what, 2y. Then 2y, which is equal to, in the left hand side we will get what, 2y. Then 2y, which is equal to 5 minus 3 is what, 2. Then see, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 0 10. So when you dividing this, we will get what, we will get y is equal to 1 by 2, no, then you will get 1, then minus 2 0 5. This is what, y. Already we found x. Okay, yes. So now the next is example 10. Find the values of x and y from the following equation. Say whenever comparing the two matrices, all the matrices should be what, in the same order. Then only you can compare the corresponding elements. So here in the left hand side, okay, solution, 2 times of x 5 7 y minus 3 plus 3 minus 4 1 2, which is equal to 7 6 15 14. So which implies we can simplify further. 2 into x 2x under 10, 2 into 7 14, then 2 into y minus 3, then you will get 2y minus 6 plus 3 minus 4 1 and 2, which is equal to 7 6 15 and 14. Now we can simplify further. 2x plus 3, 10 minus 4, 14 plus 1, 2y minus 6 plus 2, which is equal to 7 6 15 and 14, which will implies simplify in the left hand side, that is 2x plus 3, 10 minus 4 you will get 6, 14 plus 1 you will get what, 15, 2y minus 4, which is equal to 7 6 15 and 14. Now compare on both sides. Okay, so comparing on both sides, comparing the corresponding elements. So what you will get, 2x plus 3, which will equal to 7. Similarly 2y minus 4 will be is equal to 14. No need to compare 6 and 6 15 15. Okay, here which will gives us 2x will be equal to 4, then x will be equal to 2. Here 2y will be equal to 18, then y can be what, 9. So that's all, we found x and y.